Reynolds analogy states that St is equal to Cf by Fx by 2. Reynolds analogy states that St is equal to Cfx by 2. If x is the distance from the leading edge of a plate, then the thickness of the laminar boundary layer varies as x पे पावर 1/2 यानी कि रूट एक्स. We know that delta is equal to 5x by root under REx. RE यानी कि Reynolds number. This is called a Balice's equation. Delta is directly proportional to the x, so x is equal to root under delta is equal directly proportional to the root under x, where x is the distance up to the point where thickness of the laminar boundary layer measured from the leading edge of the plate. List value of Prandtl number can be expressed in case of liquid metals. लिक्विड मेटल्स का लिस्ट वैल्यू होता है 0.004 टू 0.003. गैसियस का 0.721, वाटर का 1.7 टू 13.7, ग्लिसरीन का 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 3 टू 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 5. The non-dimensional parameters known as Stanton number is used in forced convection heat transfer in flow over plate. The non-dimensional parameter known as Stanton number is used in forced convection heat transfer in flow over flat plate. Usually fins are provided to increase the rate of heat transfer, but fins also act as insulation. Which one of the following is one non-dimensional number? Decide this factor. The correct answer is Biot number. The effectiveness of fin is equal to root under Pk by Ha. Pk by Ha. Since the ratio of the cross-sectional area A and volume has the dimension of length, so the characteristic dimension can be defined. The length is equal to V by A. Effectiveness is equal to root under K by HL, where 1 by by 1 K by HL is equal to Biot number. Biot number का फॉर्मूला होता है BI is equal to HL by K. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 by A. तो यहाँ पे फिर यहाँ से ये रूट स्क्वायर चला जाएगा उधर, तो यानी कि बायोट नंबर इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई इफेक्टिवनेस का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. इफ बायोट इज हाई द इफेक्टिवनेस विल बी लो और वाइस वर्सा. Lumped system analysis of transient heat conduction situation is valid when the Biot number is very small. For lumped capacity method to be applicable, Biot number should be less than 0, that is 0.1, that is BI यानी कि Biot number is less than 0.1. The thermal velocity and concentration boundary layer becomes identical when Prandtl number is equal to Schmidt number is equal to Lewis number is equal to 1. Thermal velocity and concentration boundary layer become identical when Prandtl number is equal to Schmidt number is equal to Lewis number is equal to 1. Heat is lost from a 100 mm diameter steam pipe placed horizontal is ambient of 30 degree Celsius if the Nusselt number is 25 and thermal conductivity यानी कि K का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 0.03 W watt per meter Kelvin, then the heat transfer coefficient will be. तो Nusselt number is equal to होता है H into D by K. Biot number is equal to होता है HL by K. तो यहाँ पे H into D by K, तो यहाँ पे H आपका दिया हुआ है कितना, H आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. नसल्ट नंबर दिया हुआ है, थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी K का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है और D आपका दिया हुआ है डायामीटर 100 mm यानी कि 0.1 मीटर. तो यहाँ से H इज इक्वल टू निकल जाएगा 7.5 वॉट पर मीटर स्क्वायर केल्विन. The differential governing equation for the fin of uniform cross-sectional area and constant thermal conductivity K is written d square theta by dx square minus m square theta is equal to 0. Which of the following is correct for the equation where P is equal to perimeter of the fin, H is equal to convective heat transfer coefficient. The correct answer is theta is equal to excess temperature where m is equal to hp by root under hp by ka, root under hp by ka, m is equal to root under hp by ka. The ratio molecular diffusivity of momentum by molecular diffusivity of heat is known as Prandtl number. Prandtl number is defined as the ratio of molecular diffusivity of momentum by to the molecular diffusivity of heat, यानी कि V by alpha, where V is equal to mu Cp by K. The ratio of conductivity resistance to convective resistance is known as Nusselt number. The ratio of conductivity resistance to convective resistance is known as Nusselt number. The ratio of thermal conductivity to electrical conductivity is equal to Lorentz number. The ratio of thermal conductivity to electrical conductivity is called Lorentz number. The heat transfer rate in free convection in the turbulent region depends on delta T power 1.33. The heat transfer rate is free convection in turbulent region depends on delta T power 1.33. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Fourier's number is equal to transient heat conduction. Fourier's number is equal to transient heat conduction. Weber number is equal to surface tension. Grashof number is equal to natural convection, and Schmidt number is equal to mass diffusion. The term lambda system in heat transfer refers to system having heat transfer varying with time but not with position. The term lambda system in heat transfer refers to system having heat transfer varying with time but not with position. Prandtl number is the ratio of momentum diffusivity to the thermal diffusivity. Prandtl number is the ratio of momentum diffusivity to the thermal diffusivity. P is equal to P is equal to V by alpha, where V is equal to mu Cp by K. In Biot number, the characteristic length used is the ratio of volume to surface area. In Biot number, the characteristic length used in the ratio of volume to surface area, यानी कि LC इज इक्वल टू V by A. और बायोट नंबर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? तो रूट अंडर HL by K. हियर फॉर स्क्वायर LC वॉल्यूम तो हो जाएगा A और एरिया 2A² यानी कि A/6. The maximum heat transfer rate is attained in turbulent flow. The maximum heat transfer rate is attained in turbulent flow due to the zigzag motion of the fluid particles with high velocity. The non-dimensional form of natural convection heat transfer coefficient is Nusselt number. Non-dimensional form of natural convection heat transfer coefficient is Nusselt number. Nusselt number is equal to HL by K. HL by K. HT by K होगा यहाँ पे HD by K. Which one of the following is correct? The effective of the fin will be the maximum in an environment with. तो हो जाएगा यहाँ पे इफेक्टिवनेस पूछ रहा है, तो इफेक्टिव ऑफ फिन इज इक्वल टू रूट अंडर PK बाई HA. तो वेयर एफिशिएंसी ऑफ फिन इनटू PL बाई AC. सो PN efficiency of fin into a surface area of fin by cross sectional area of fin. Thank you.